Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are very good, right? And you all are doing your assignments, work in your notebook, textbooks very well. Yes? Okay. So, children, now I welcome you all in your maths class. Okay, so yesterday we have started a new chapter. Yes? Yes, that is chapter number 4. So, this is our chapter that we have started yesterday, right, children? Right? Numbers up to 1000. So, yesterday we have done this exercise. Let's get started. And after that, we have done exercise 4A also, right? And after that, we have done work in notebook also. This work we have done in notebook, right? So, now let's continue our chapter today. Today's topic is number line. As you all know that we can do counting on number line also, right? We can do addition also on number line. So children, see, there are number lines made. Okay, so we have to write down the numbers. Like if a number line is starting from 1, so 1, 2, 3, and after 3 what will come? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this is the number line, right? So we have done addition also on it, right? So now today we are going to learn 3 digits number line, that how do we make 3 digits number line. So in this manner, what is the important thing in this number line? The important thing in number line is that the difference between two numbers will always be same, है ना? जो दो नंबर के बीच का डिफरेंस होता है वो हमेशा सेम होना चाहिए, है ना? देखो सब इक्वल है बिल्कुल. ओके, सो नाउ इफ आई से लेट्स सी अनदर नंबर लाइन. See children, now here 2 more number lines are here. Okay, so after 101 what we have to write? We have to write 102. Okay, then 103, then 104, then 105, then 106, then 107, then 108, then 109. Okay, 109, then 110, and then 111, right? So in this manner this number line is made. Okay, and now see the third number line, 205, then 206, 207, 208, 209, 210, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, and 216. Okay, so what we are going to do, whatever the number is skipped, जो भी नंबर बीच में से गायब होता है हमें वो देखकर, हमें उस सीक्वेंस को समझकर then we have to write. Okay, so related to it a few questions are given in your exercise also, in exercise 4B in your textbook. Okay, so all of you take out your textbook and let's do 4B exercise. Okay, so children, we can say that the number line is a line which shows the order of numbers as we count them, right? जैसे हम उनको काउंट करते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6, है ना, ऐसे ही जो ऑर्डर हमें शो करता है जो लाइन, दैट इज नोन एज आर नंबर लाइन, राइट? एंड द नंबर लाइन इज एक्सटेंडेड बाय एडिंग 1 एवरी टाइम, है ना. नंबर लाइन में हमेशा हम 1 ऐड करते जाते हैं तो नंबर लाइन जो है वो बढ़ती जाती है आगे. टू गेट टू द नेक्स्ट नंबर वी इंक्रीज द डिजिट इन द वंस प्लेस बाय 1, है ना. हम क्या करते हैं, जैसे अभी 101 लिखा हुआ है तो 1 क्या है, वंस प्लेस है. यस, तो वंस की प्लेस पर ही हम 1 नंबर ऐड करते जाते हैं तो नंबर लाइन हमारी क्या होती जाती है, बढ़ती जाती है, राइट. सी 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, and 110. Now if we see another example, we can see that 511. So okay, so on one's place 1 is there. Okay, and if we will add 1 plus 1, right? So we'll get 2. Then if we will add plus 1 in it also, then we'll get 3. So it will become 513, right? और 513 में अगर हम 1 और ऐड करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 514. Okay, in the same manner we will get the next numbers of the number line, right? 515, 516, 517, 518, 519, 520. Okay, so which date is today? Today is 15 September, right? So 15 September 2020 we have to write here. Then we have to continue, we have to complete the missing numbers in the number lines. So now if we see here, we can see that fill in the missing numbers on the number lines. Okay, here number lines are given and we have to complete these number lines. So let's start doing it. 321. So after 321 what will come? 322. 321, then 322. After 22 what will come? 323. After that 324. After that 325, then 326, then 327, then 328, then 329, and then 330. Right, students? Now see next one, 541. Okay, so 542 will come here, then 543, then 544 is already written, 545, 546, right? 547, 548, then 549, right? So here in this way we can complete this work. Yes, now see the next example, 831. So 832, then 833, then 834, then 835 is already written, then we'll write 836, then 837, right? Then 838, then 839, and then the last digit is 840, right? Now see, 671 is written. So what is the next number? 672, 673, 674, 675 is already written. So now next number will be, so 5 plus 1 कितना हो जाएगा? 6, right? So 676, then 677, then 678 is already written, then 679, 680 is already written. So in this way we can get our answers. Okay, so children, have you got it, that how can we complete our number lines? Okay, now let's do place value and face value. Okay, I will teach you how to find out place value and face values of 3-digit numbers. Okay children, let's see. Now see children, if 2-digit number is written, okay, 1 and 8, okay, and I am asking you to take out the place value of 8 in 18, right? So firstly I will write here ones and tens, right? And after that I will see that 8 is on which place. Yes, 8 is on ones place, so I will write here 8 ones. Okay, या तो मैं इसको 8 ones लिख सकती हूँ या फिर मैं इसको खाली 8 भी लिख सकती हूँ, right? And here if we are asking for face value of 8, then how do we find it? It is simple that face value always remains the same number, right? फेस वैल्यू जो भी नंबर होता है वो सेम ही रहता है, तो इसकी फेस वैल्यू 8 ही रहेगी, वो चेंज नहीं होगी, है ना? अब यहाँ मैं आपको अगर बोलूँ दैट इफ़ आई आस्क यू टू फाइंड आउट द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 1 ऑल्सो, सो व्हाट इज़ द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 1? सो I can say that place value of 1 is equal to 1 what? किस जगह है ये? tens, so 1 tens और 10, ठीक है? या तो मैं इसको इस तरीके से लिख सकती हूँ या फिर इस तरीके से, दोनों ही मेथड सेम है. ओके, और अगर मैं यहाँ पे बोलूँ कि 18 में आपको 1 की फेस वैल्यू पता लगानी, तो क्या आएगी? 1 ही आएगी, राइट? ऐसे ही क्या होता है 3-digit नंबर्स में होता है. अब सपोज दैट इफ़ आई विल गिव यू अ 3-digit नंबर 234, and if I will ask you to find out the place value of 2, okay, so first of all we will write ones, tens and hundreds, okay. After that I'll see that 2 is on which place. It is at hundreds place, so I will write here 200s, right. मैं क्या लिखूँगी यहाँ पे, I will write here 200s, और या इसको दूसरे वर्ड्स में कैसे लिख सकते हैं, 200, है ना. ये तो हो गई प्लेस वैल्यू, राइट. और अगर मैं फेस वैल्यू की बात करूँगी तो फेस वैल्यू अगर मुझे 2 की निकालनी है 234 में, तो क्या आएगी, इट विल रिमेन सेम 2. उससे प्लेस का कोई लेना देना नहीं होता, उससे बस वो जो नंबर होता है एग्जैक्टली सेम नंबर विल बी रिटन इन फेस वैल्यू, ओके. क्योंकि फेस वैल्यू कभी भी चेंज नहीं होती, वो सेम डिजिट ही रहता है, उसमें कोई यूनिट्स प्लेस या हंड्रेड्स प्लेस या टेंस प्लेस का कोई भी रोल नहीं होता. उसमें सिंपल जो डिजिट होता है दैट डिजिट will have to be written, okay. Like if I'll give you 335, okay, and if I'll ask you the face value of 3, so what is it, 3 only. If I'll ask you this 3, so it will also remain same 3. If I'll ask for 5 in this, so it will also remain the same 5 only, right. So in this manner we can say that 3 digits place values and face values are also very simple, right children. I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Now I am giving you one more example, okay. See children, here is the number given 275, okay, and they are asking for every every digit, the place value of every digit and face value also of every digit, okay. So how can we solve it? So first of all we will write ones, tens and hundreds, okay. We have written here. Now what we are going to do, we will see 2. So 2 कौन सी प्लेस पर है, हंड्रेड्स, तो क्या आएगा इसका आंसर, इसका आंसर आ जाएगा 200, ठीक है. और we can write here as 2 and spelling of hundreds, yes, like this, ठीक है. और फेस वैल्यू क्या रहेगी, सेम 2, राइट. नाउ सी 7 का क्या होगा, 7 की प्लेस वैल्यू होगी 7 टेंस, राइट. सो वी विल राइट हियर 7 and 0, 7 0 70, or we can write it as 7 tens, okay. Now 5, so 5 क्या है, 5 ones, right, 5 ones. So we will write here 5 only or 5 ones, right. Now फेस वैल्यू तो 7 का क्या रहेगा, 7, 5 का क्या रहेगा, 5, ओके. सो आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड नाउ. सो लेट्स डू वर्क इन आवर नोटबुक ऑल्सो, ओके. टेक आउट योर मैथ्स नोटबुक. Children, this is our notebook, maths notebook. First of all we will write today's date, then we will write question number B, okay. Question number B, write the place value and face value of the underlined digits, okay. So here question is given and underlined digit is given, okay. So here 4 is there, so what we are going to do, we will write first ones, tens and hundreds on the top of it, okay. Then we'll find out the answer, okay, because it will become easier for us, it will become very easy for us to find the answer when we will write down the place values on top of the number, yes. So we have written here ones, tens and 100. Now see 4 is at which place, it is at tens place, so we can write either 40 or 4 tens, right. Face value will remains the same 4, right. In the same manner we have to write ones, tens, 100, and then see 300 or 300s, then 3, right. Now again we have to write here ones, tens and hundreds, okay. Now see 9 ones place, so 9 will come only, or 9 ones, okay, and here it will remain same 9, okay. Now D 536, so ones, tens and 100, so here also 5 is at hundreds place, so 500 or 500s we can write, or 5, right. Here also now ones, tens and hundreds, then again 671, so it is 70, 70 or 7 tens, right, and then 7, right. Now see here in next question, ones, tens and 100 again we have to write, and then we have to see, right, 700, so 700 or 700s, and face value will remain same, that is 7. Okay, now see the second last question, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, here 9 is there, so 90 or 9 tens, and face value will remains the same, 9. Here also ones, tens and 100, 999, so 9 or 9 ones, then 9. Okay, so in this way we can do this work. Okay children, so do your work in a very neat and clean handwriting. Okay, take care, God bless you all, have a very nice day.